In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity and NotebookLM to sharpen the way you do research and write reports and generally access data. So to start with, let's see how we can start with Perplexity AI, which can be used to enhance and open up the research that we're going to do. For example, I have this simple prompt. So I ask it, find credible, recent, and diverse sources on AI trends and the impact of AI on university systems. So this is just a generic question, and let's say we give it this prompt and let's see what it is going to come out with. And as you can see, it has given us the AI trends in 2025, emphasize advancements in reasoning capabilities, agentic systems, custom silicon, and enterprise-focused platforms for better ROI. So you have key AI trends that it has highlighted. These are the key ones. Major trends include AI reasoning for advanced decision-making, frontier models integrating multimodal data, and agentic AI that performs tasks autonomously. So this is it. And then the impact on universities. AI acts as critical infrastructure, streamlining admissions, financial aid, HR, and research grants. This is really wonderful how AI is penetrating our academic systems. You can see challenges and predictions. It has identified the key challenges and even possible predictions that experts predict intensified focus on ethical governance, transparency, and policy shift towards AI institutional infrastructure rather than cheating risk. Successful universities should balance AI's potential for inclusivity with safeguards against inequity and hype around unproven agentic systems. So these are the sources that it has highlighted. You can click to look at all of them. If you are interested, you can just have a glance into all of them. So this is more academic. It has highlighted the key things, key trends, and the details of what we need. So how can we link this up to NotebookLM so that we can create a more sharpened report about this that anyone can use? So we can ask related questions if we're interested, and then alternatively we can say, can you generate the URLs of all the sources used in this report, for example? So we can just go ahead and enter to this, and let's see what this is going to generate for us. So these are all the sources that it has used, about 10 of them. So we can just go ahead and copy the sources, and then we can move to NotebookLM. All right, so once you're here, we can just go ahead and say create new notebook, and then from here we just have to add the sources. These are links, so we just paste the URLs directly. So we have just inserted all the URLs that we need from all the sources we got from Perplexity. So we can just go ahead, insert on this, and then let's just give it some seconds while it reads from the sources, and then give us a comprehensive summary of this. All right, so this is a report from the Deloitte, McKinsey, PwC, and the World Bank. They explore rapid expansion and strategic integration of artificial intelligence across the global economy. So you can see everything, all the details have been captured from the sources. Now all you need is to come over here to the report like we did earlier on. You click on it, and then you have the option to, on your own, use the strategic method. We can use strategic analysis method, or explanatory article method, or informational narrative method, depending. But for this case, let's say we create our own and then give it a prompt to kind of generate the report we need. So you can see, use the default language. Let's say we now define our own prompt. We convert this into a complete, well-detailed report on each topic for choice, and make it very detailed. Can include all necessary areas of interest, right? Make it easy to understand to even non-tech personnel. Right, so we're going to generate this, and let's see what this is going to generate for us as regards the reports. So let's just give it some seconds while it generates this report, and then we'll do a quick analysis and call it off. So you can see the detail of the content, how it has been arranged with this tabulated content, geographical concentration of AI and innovation, the AI scaling imperative, bigger, faster, and more demanding, and what you need to understand, key details and specific economic workforce transformation, AI as an economic engine and disruptor. So much to pick from this. You can see the arrangement actually the global development, bridging the digital divide, the two phases of AI for development, and the four C's of framework, okay, connectivity, compute, context, and competency, and so on. So you can see the detail of everything, and also you can copy this and share with your colleagues, or you can use it for any content. So I think these are the two use cases that we can use to test the combination of the Perplexity AI and NotebookLM. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.